Antoinette and Doug, good morning. It is bitterly cold here in Worcester this morning, especially when the wind blows. And the wind chill is one of the reasons why the city of Worcester has decided to cancel school today. For the third time this week, there are no classes here in Worcester. Kids in Worcester stayed home Monday and Tuesday, of course, because of the snow. And now again, because of the extreme cold and brutal wind chills prompting today's closure. Classes were already canceled earlier in the week. The mayor says it would be too dangerous to have students out in the cold today.
We have 12,000 students that walk to school, 12,000 students that take the bus, waiting for the bus. So you're talking to almost 25,000 students that are out there.
Officials say students will have to make up the missed days at the end of the school year. Now, as we mentioned, the city is also activating its warming center today. Doors open at 9 a.m. at the Worcester Senior Center on Providence Street. And it's not just Worcester. Many cities and towns have warming centers that are opening today because of the extreme temperatures, and officials urge residents to check websites for locations and hours. Reporting live this morning in Worcester, Todd Kiskiewicz, WCVB News Center.